If you want to see if you can sublimate on Dollar Tree ribbon, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and kid craft videos. So if any of those things interest you, please subscribe and join my YouTube family. We're past 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload, and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. So this is our ribbon. It is a satin ribbon from Dollar Tree. It is 100% polyester. So I printed my design. This is a butterfly from my logo, and I printed it in strips, and I made a rectangle in infinity that was 0.6 inches wide, which is pretty much what this ribbon is, and then I just printed it. So I'm gonna cut it in strips. If you don't have a paper cutter, you need one, so that it could be easier to put on the string, because I want to make one long piece of ribbon. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut about this much, and I'm gonna pre-press it in my heat press to take out the moisture, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I pre-pressed it, and I'm going to lint roll it. So I'm gonna take my butterflies, and I'm gonna, or you can put the paper like that and flip the ribbon. That's actually much easier. Okay, so I have my, and then I'm gonna take my heat tape, and I'm just gonna tape it into place. You see how there's white right there at the bottom of my paper? I'm going to cut off as close to the butterfly as I can. And then I'll tape that last little area. I'm going to cut a little bit of the paper as close to the butterfly as I can. I'm going to again place it down. So then I'm going to get some tape. Tape this top part down first so that I can then straighten out the rest of it. So now I'm gonna keep doing that to the rest of the ribbon, and I'll be right back. I finished doing the whole ribbon, well, the part that I sliced. So now we're gonna move to the heat press and see how well the colors will look once they're pressed. Okay, I have my craft paper underneath. And now I'm just gonna go in sections. Paper facing up, and the ribbon down. I'll probably put in a piece of heat tape so that it doesn't move. Take a piece of butcher paper. And now we're gonna press at 400 for 60 seconds. Ow, 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 ow. So this is how it turned out. I absolutely love how it turned out. Like, look at those colors, guys. This ribbon is cream, so obviously it's not going to be as vibrant as if it were white, but it's still beautiful. You can still see the colors perfectly. And guys, this would be awesome for Christmas or for someone's birthday. You can put their name on it and make like custom ribbon for their gifts. That would be so cute. Like everyone has ribbon with their own names, or like if you have a business, this is what I did. This butterfly is part of my logo, so I put it all over the ribbon and I can package my orders with it. So I think it's an awesome idea. I love how it turned out, and it really didn't take that much time at all to do. So if you can find 100% polyester ribbon at Michael's, at Walmart, at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, wherever you shop, and you can just make custom ribbon. You can make custom bows for the hair. You can make, I've seen people make like the cheer bows for the cheerleaders, so that's really cool. So I love how this turned out, and it was super easy, and for $1 you get 6 yards, which is pretty good. So you can make a decent amount of ribbon with this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know down below what video ideas and things you want me to do. Okay, bye guys.